Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. Also make sure to go down in the description and sign up for Blofin. They're offering some big sign up bonuses and competition bonuses in the description below. Go get involved with that. Also finally, if you're interested in making my trading bots, which have been making me over 5% a month returns completely passively for the past few years, send me a Twitter DM down below via the link as well. These really have been a game changer for me, allowing me to buy the dip continuously on all of these altcoins, basically meaning that I can't lose provided that they don't go to zero and eventually turn around, which I think they are. So taking a look at Polygon then, wow, we are so overextended to the downside now, it's absolutely unreal. Let's take a look at our daily time frame RSI. We are literally insanely oversold right now. You can see this was the last time here, looking very similar to this actually, with the big wick and reversal. This area here where we actually bottomed for our bear market, obviously we had our initial massive plunge, big reversal, and then this was our bear market area here. When we stabilized, you can see we came down here, and this was actually the bear market low when we were this oversold last time. You can see right now we're sitting here at around 22.5 on our RSI. This got down to around 18, which is insanely oversold. The most oversold it's ever been on this chart. As you can see, this is a crazy plunge. This is looking very similar, a very crazy plunge as well. Coming down, trying to tap into that bear market low that you could safely say now the bear market range is more like this now. After coming down and tapping that lower low, as you can quite clearly tell on the charts here, we have broken down from this 0.23 Fibonacci level finally after literally years, 2 years of going sideways in between this and the 0.618. Right now looking extremely oversold, making these lower lows and lower highs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be your last wave to the downside before we do see a nice reversal. You can see we came down, tapped into this range low. Big reversal up here, consolidation, bullish engulfing candle. I could easily see us coming up and tapping into that 0.23 Fibonacci. Still stuck under this resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4 taps of this resistance now on the way down. We're getting really oversold. 42 cents for Polygon right now. 90% retracement down here from the all-time high of $3 down to 30 cents. Very interesting times ahead. Overall, I do think we're going to see a fat reversal in the markets, and I'm averaging into these dips.